Hey guys, these are my two other accessory pop figures I have. I have Fuzzy Big Bird and Fuzzy Elmo. Since I don't have original Big Bird, I have the Fuzzy Big Bird. He's very fuzzy. I like him because he's cute. He's adorable. And he's a big bird. And he's a costume. And he's a fun guy. And I also have Fuzzy Elmo. These are both the frog versions. I have original Elmo and Fuzzy Elmo. And they're fuzzy and soft. They almost feel like pencil toppers. I like Sesame Street. The show came when I was a kid. And these are both my favorite characters. They're adorable. Fuzzy Elmo and Fuzzy Big Bird. And one box is big and the other one's small. They're the other kids you can collect on the back. Since I don't have Snuffy, I'm gonna go with Big Bird. And I'm hoping to get the original version someday. And he's a cool bird. I like him because he's cute. And Big Bird's a costume. And Elmo. He's adorable. I love him. I love both these pop figures. And I hope to get more pop figures in the future. And these are cool pop figures. These are both exclusive to Barnes & Noble. And they're cool Funko pop figures. Owl's a monster and Big Bird's not. The Who's video and peace. Bye.